Be prepared. Buying and installing any of the distinctive accessories from Iron Cross Automotive will change the way you and others look at your truck. We draw from our 30 years of experience in the aftermarket and original equipment industry to bring you the highest quality parts available, using state-of-the-art technology combined with old-fashioned hard work. Presenting the all-new hardline bumpers from Iron Cross Automotive. Notice the aggressive lower profile look of the front bumper's design, available with or without the dual bars. It also offers you the convenience of sensor capability, bolt-on plates perfect for color matching, and numerous light options to fit your style. Optional mesh plate covers are in the works. You can buy it in either the standard matte black finish with flat black plates or optional primer coat. The equally rugged rear bumper has all those attractive features. Plus, we built in a side step and there's a backup cube light option. Our light kits for the bumpers are sold separately. We pride ourselves on delivery quality parts at an affordable price. So contact your local retailer and ask for Iron Cross Automotive. If you aren't delighted with your hardline bumper purchase, you can return these or any of our products within 30 days and we'll happily refund the purchase price.